advertising Coke. Not to be similar to the drug cocaine, because it'll you up. Water. It's good. You piss it out every day of the week. Cheese nips taste like
Every day.
fudge pop. Randy Jack. Them Pop Tarts, fudge, they're bad, they're old. I miss.
You just piss it out every day of the week.
Peaches and ketchup. It's good for you. Unless you put it on your mouth and act like you're in a zombie movie, then it gets stuck and it's nasty.
I did that.
Knows all about it. Chocolate syrup. Maybe put it on some private parts and get it on. A1 steak sauce. Put it on some steaks and chew into that some or put it on some private parts if you got a fat girl. It's like chocolate A1 or something. It's really nasty. Mustard. I hate this. I like mayonnaise. Patty mayonnaise. Mayonnaise on my patty. Not mustard.
Oh my god.
Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Also known as Shizzle Flakes.
They're great!
They pick up.
Yeah, they did.
Tricks. They're for kids, you son of a Cherry. Also known as Rectum Red. And Blue Balls. And Gonorrhea Green. Gonorrhea Green. Ow. We also have Sprite. It's lemon and lime in a can, baby. Lemon and lime. Tastes just like Sierra Mist, except Sierra Mist is like dehydrated or something. It's carbonated, that's what it is.
Dehydrated.
Nasty as
How can you dehydrate water?
I don't know, but it's possible. Oh. Gotta throw this away.
Throw them nips away.
Oh shit. Do that shit. Chocolate. Put it in the books, don't read them. Don't read them because they're stupid. Books are stupid. They're overrated just like school. This is a jacket. You put it on and you go outside or maybe even make your own igloo and get in it like this. And then when it gets cold and that big old monster like off of Star Wars comes, you won't see it. Or he won't see you. And if he does, you cover your eyes and say, I don't see you, so you can't see me. And then he's gonna look at you like you're retarded.
I don't know what the with him, but he's lost his mind.
And then it's gonna be like, man, that's a stupid mother. I'm gonna go get me some competition. He's gonna go over here and hit that some bitch in the face. And he's gonna take him down. It's down in the thing. Mother son of a bitch.
And